Hello and welcome to my channel, How to Webmaster, and here are my top viewers countries: India, United States, and so on. And I'm going to show you how much my channel makes with 500,000 views. And here it is, 500,000 or close to 500,000 views, earning $20.43 earnings per 1,000 views of monetization. Total earnings for 500,000 views. Here are the top countries. The bulk amount, of course, is from United States, almost 60%. For 500,000 views, I get about $5,000 from the United States alone, and the rest you can see here. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to leave a comment if you want to see any of my other stats. And please subscribe for more future earning updates. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.